Thank you, Chair. Firstly, I would like to thank Center for Management Studies, Jama Millia Islamia, for giving me a great opportunity to present my paper. So, the title of my paper is Economic Impact on South Asian Countries, a Review. My name is Nancy Puri. I am a research scholar from Amity University, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. The second author of the paper is Dr. C.R. Khori from Amity University, Uttar Pradesh. The third author of the paper is Dr. Nachiket Singh from Delhi University. So now I'm moving on to the next slide, which is discussing about the background of the study. The 2019 to 2020 coronavirus widespread, which is universally known as COVID-19, has shaken the entire world. The first case of the widespreads were found in Wuhan, China in December 2019. Since at that point it has tainted over 51 million individuals, more than in 219 nations. The death toll reached 1.2 million on 11th November 2020 and proceed to rise. Despite the health issues, the economic impact of the widespread of COVID-19 has moreover a sensational impact on the prosperity of facilities and communities. For middle-income families without much income due to an COVID-19 outbreak can increase the possibility of poverty in the country. This can also lead to shortage of food security in the society and possibility to diminish to get facilities of healthcare services. The epidemic has moreover driven to severe global financial disturbance all over the world. In addition, data has shown a sharp decrease within the agriculture, trade, tourism, and travel segments due to the flare of COVID-19 disease. Specialists as well as the experts have recommended that the continuous novel coronavirus flare-up will have a significant impact on developing nations, with an especially huge impact on South Asian economies. Among the South Asian nations, India is the most largest populated and has announced an economic package worth 1.7 trillion rupees, that is $22.5 billion, planned to assist middle income families. If I talk here about Pakistan, the informal sector that may be a cash based division and likely to lose families as well as millions of occupations, so it is necessary that government should require to give individuals with an outright least wage to meet their everyday prerequisite. Moreover, COVID-19 has a critical impact on the Bangladesh economies as well, because the disease arrived when the country was facing economic graphs as downwarded. Economics assess that 40% decay in the Bangladesh has been clearly observed. If I talk here about Afghanistan, so what has been seen that the world greatest oil industry in adapting while they diminish in crude oil cost, whereas Bhutan's economy has caused a loss of $2.2 million since the COVID-19 epidemic spread off in the entire South Asian nation. The other South Asian nations, which is Nepal. If I talk here about Nepal, Nepal financial position has been affected basically on three fronts of remittance inflow, the tourism, industry, and international trade. Same as the other country, that is Sri Lanka. So if I talk about Sri Lanka, is also facing a loss of economy in the country, and Maldives economy is also affected because of country is totally dependent upon its tourism. So tourism is also affected in most of the nations. I'm moving on to the next slide, which is discussing about the aim and objectives of the study. So the aim of this paper is to study about the impact of COVID-19 on major economic sector, particularly of South Asian countries, and to discuss about the policies that different South Asian governments can adopt in order to combat the pandemic. The methodology: a systematic literature review of peer-reviewed and grade literature, as well as the websites of national and international organizations, was conducted to assess the current scenario, such as using ProQuest, ScienceDirect, Web of Science, and Google Scholar were used. Search terms included COVID-19, major economic indicators, agriculture, industry, and country-specific policies to mitigate COVID-19. Results describing the probable impact of COVID-19 on major economic sector in the South Asian economics and mitigating strategies and policies were included in this review. Now, if I discuss about the result and discussion. So the results and discussion of the paper, basically I have stressed on the three sectors, that is the agriculture sector, service sector, and manufacturing sector, that how in this COVID-19 era these three sectors have been affected by COVID-19 pandemic. So the results and discussion. Impact of COVID-19 on major economic sectors. COVID-19 pandemic has affected on the financial sector of South Asian countries, as it has crippled the various other sectors of the region as well. The impact of COVID-19 on major economic segments, agriculture, service and manufacturing industries are explained in the basically in this paper. The first one is the agriculture sector. The GDP of the monetary related scheme from the agriculture, mining and quarrying sector will be diminished by $75.5 to $1539 million in India for shorter to longer control. According to ADB data, impact under shorter containment, smaller demand shock and longer containment. If I discuss here, that is $72.25 to $1,869.79 million. And Pakistan, if I here talk about, that is $1589.72 to $4036.00 million. Among the South Asian countries, the percentage of sectoral GDP for shorter and longer containments will be feasible to tackle immediately, and minimum and maximum predicted value range between, that is 0.08% and 13.12% for Nepal and the Maldives respectively. The service sector. According to ADB data, South Asian countries' service sector such as business, trade, commerce, and public services will definitely affected by the adverse impact of COVID-19. According to World Bank, that is in 2021, expected losses will be higher for the Indian economy for shorter and longer containment periods, and the additional containment periods after COVID-19 outbreak. This goods in South Asia, India is the prominent country to carry out the trade and exporting of goods and raw material. It has been observed that in all South Asian countries, the percentage of sectoral GDP share will definitely decrease. According to ADB data, that is 2021, Maldives will be affected more significantly for shorter and longer containment periods under the sectoral share of GDP from service sector. The other one, that is the manufacturing industry in South Asian nations. So the manufacturing industry more often has a prominent responsibility within the economic development of South Asian country. Currently, it has been observed that the significance of the manufacturing industry has downtrodden into the last 20 to 25 years, leading into the phase of deindustrialization or non-industrialization in South Asian countries. According to recent World Bank study, that is in 2021, due to the COVID-19 epidemic, light, heavy manufacturing utilities and development of the subsectors were including as manufacturing sector. Though analysis from various other reports, it has been observed that nations with the manufacturing opportunities would be less influenced than those with a high level of manufacturing of light heavy goods, like in India. India includes a huge worldwide share of products, manufacturing and crude materials, though India can be and will be impacted majorly, and thereafter Bangladesh and Pakistan will get more affected in terms of GDP value of the country. So now in the paper as well, I had also discussed that what policy and measures can be adopted by the governments of different South Asian countries to combat the impact of COVID-19 pandemic. So a policy system is required that is based on major in economic markers and segments was defined to determine a reasonable and conceivable path to replicate misinformation due to the COVID-19 pandemic. In South Asian economy, a systematic review approach based on secondary source and review of literature study was conducted in order to collect the data and to explain the policy approach adopted by different governments of South Asian countries in order to combat the impact of COVID-19 pandemic. As for example, in the agriculture sector, India had adopted to provide assistance package to farmers and agricultural workers and any social protection program addressing the pandemic. Even on the other hand, if I talk here about in Bangladesh. So in Bangladesh, central banks has included funds into the agriculture sector through a grant facility. On the other hand, in manufacturing sector, the government should invest in the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise to reduce export. In Sri Lanka, a new economic zone should be introduced in order to create employment and investors. In the service sector, government from different South Asian countries can promote trade by avoiding export bans and import restrictions. In South Asian countries, e-commerce should be encouraged. The government can also emphasize on the import of essential items that needs to be given special support, whereas necessary items can on be hold. So the next slides, which is discussing about the conclusion of the paper. So South Asian nations' economy is severely affected by COVID-19 pandemic. In this review of literature-based article, we utilize a systematic review approach in order to study the economic impact on South Asian country amid COVID-19 pandemic. The paper has elaborated and has explained a meaningful and imperative data for South Asian economies with the focus on major economic segments and indicators. Moreover, the paper laid out some strategies embraced by different South Asian nations and had also pondered over some failures modes occur in different segments of the country. So this was all for my research paper. So thank you so much.